Hi guys, Kelsey Saldana here with Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group. Today we are talking about how to spruce up your home. Most of us are working from home now more than before, spending more time at night in our home. And if you've been feeling like you need to make some decor changes to your property, I am here to help and give you some ideas of what I love to do around my home. So my top favorite ways to add decor is through greenery, texture, and height. So greenery can make a big statement in your home by adding color and light, but also can be good for your health, bringing oxygen into your home. My favorite plants are the snake plant, which I think is also known as the mother-in-law plant, as well as the fiddle leaf fig tree. Those who know me know I have plants throughout my home. I also have a real love for succulents as well as orchids. Texture. Another great way to add a new dynamic to your room. I like to add texture through throw blankets and pillows. Mixing patterns and textures on the couch looks amazing. You just have to start by choosing pillows from the same color palette. Adding depth to your space. Adding height can be done by many decor items you probably already have around your home. You may even find a newfound love for items you already have just by placing them into a new room or space. Remember, as you are decorating shelves, to choose items that are short, medium, and tall to break up the space. Another item most of us have a lot of on hand is books. Let these books help you decorate your room, whether it's on a bookshelf, coffee table, or a wall shelf. Next, experiment with color. This is by far one of the cheapest ways to transform a space. Adding a pop of color or maybe a feature wall with a pop of color can completely change the whole look of the room. This season, it seems to be blues and greens really seem to be in. Another great summer project while you're at home more would be to declutter. Starting small with a contained space, maybe like your bathroom, which will give you that quick feeling of accomplishment and encouragement to move on to your next space. The benefits of a tidy space go far beyond the aesthetics of what your new room would look like. Research has actually found that clearing clutter can also lower your stress level. This week, I also want to encourage you to a digital detox. Digital detoxing has been around for quite some time. Maybe you've never heard of it. I think it is important to stay informed about the health crisis and what is happening in the world around us, but it's easy to slip from a healthy level of engagement to compulsive checking. I've been there myself. So I want to encourage you and your family to join me in a digital detox this week. Whether you want to choose one day to stay off of social media or commit to dinner time as a phone-free hour this week, I'd love you to join me. And as always, wishing you all a safe and healthy week. If there's anything we can do at Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group, please reach out. We are here for you.